Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a critical tutorial for anyone who has been locked out of their gaming library and cannot access their credentials. I am going to show you exactly how to recover your Steam account when you no longer have access to your primary email or your password. Losing access to your account can be incredibly stressful, but Valve has a dedicated recovery process designed for these specific situations. If this video helps you regain access to your games, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to support the channel. Let us get started. First, navigate to the official Steam login page on your browser to begin the recovery process. Once you are on the screen where you would normally enter your credentials, look for the text that says, "Help, I can't sign in," and click on it. This will take you to a support hub where you will be presented with several options to troubleshoot your login. You need to select the option that says, "I forgot my Steam account name or password." Even if you remember your account name but are missing the current password, this path triggers the identity verification flow. On the next screen, you will see a critical link that says, "I no longer have access to this email address." Go ahead and click that. This is the specific gateway for users who have lost their authentication methods. From here, you will be prompted to enter your Steam username or the phone number associated with the account if you still have access to it. If you do not have those, try to remember any details that can identify you. Once you have attempted to verify your identity, you will be asked to fill out the account recovery form. This is the most important part of the process. You need to provide as much proof of ownership as possible. This includes providing your old email address, original payment information like credit card numbers or PayPal transaction IDs, and even physical CD keys if you have historically activated software through them. Once you have carefully filled in all the details, submit your request to Valve. Their support team is highly experienced and will review the evidence provided to ensure the account truly belongs to you. After you click Submit, you will need to wait for a response from Valve support. They will evaluate your provided documentation and contact you regarding the next steps for account restoration. While it can take a little bit of time, this is the safest and most reliable way to get your account back. If you are struggling with this process, always make sure you are on the official Steam website to avoid phishing attempts. I hope this guide helps you restore your gaming journey easily. If this video helped you solve your problem, please do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tech and gaming guides. Thanks for watching and good luck with your account recovery.